Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Saturday. I hope you're all well and healthy. And it is beautiful here in Atlanta. I actually went to the grocery store earlier, came home, took a shower, cleaned my groceries before I put them up. It's been pretty productive, and it's only 11:30, so I feel really good so far. This video is super short because I'm very excited actually, because I tried this about a week ago or so, and I recorded it for my Instagram stories. I shared it, and I had so many people comment and react to my video. It was my first time, like you saw in the title, trying Dalgona or fluffy or whipped coffee. It is such a game changer, and I cannot wait for you guys to see it. This is what I did, and without further ado, let's just get into this video. Mwah! Oh, hello you all cool cats and kittens. I hope you're having a wonderful whatever day it is today. Yeah, I hope you're all staying healthy and staying indoors and being safe. And today I'm actually going to try something I've never tried before. So, as many of you may know, I am not a big coffee drinker, but I put a question a couple of weeks ago about this fluffy coffee, or like this whipped coffee that's super trendy right now, and I finally found the recipe. And when I went to the grocery store last, I found coffee, instant coffee. So the day has come for me to test the whipped coffee recipe, and I am so excited. Oh my god, I cannot wait. Oh! And I didn't just find any coffee. Guess what coffee I found? Yeah, you got it right. Per popular demand, I guess, I found Cafe Bustelo. Oh my god. And an instant Cafe Bustelo. Ah! My god. My heart. So we're gonna get the whipping. So the recipe I found is from Tasty, and it calls for 2 tablespoons of coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of hot water. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do the 2 tablespoons of coffee just because it may be too strong, and this coffee seems a little strong. So I think I'm just gonna do 1, 2, 2. So like 1 coffee, 2 sugar, and 2 water. Also because I like my coffee sweet. Yeah. Oh my god guys, so I'm actually using my little KitchenAid mixer. I'm not about to whip this by hand, but you know what? I'm actually just gonna follow the recipe and do 2 tablespoons of coffee. It smells so good. Oh my god, I wish you guys could smell it. And then we're gonna do, it's hard to do this one-handed. And then we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of sugar. Sugar. Alright. Perfect. And then 2 tablespoons of like hot boiling water that I just boiled. 1 and 2, maybe a little more. Yeah, like that. Okay, great. Oh my god, it smells so delicious, guys. And we're just gonna crack this bitch open. Let's see. No! Ah! Oh my god! Look! It's so cute! Ah! You guys, this looks so good. It literally looks like buttercream. And I'm thinking you could use this as buttercream, like coffee buttercream. That would be really cool. Maybe. But it looks so pretty. Look how pretty that is. Like, it's so fluffy. Oh my god. Wow, look at these peaks. Oh, I love it. Okay, let's try it. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So I have my eyes ready, and I'm just gonna pour my almond milk on there. So here's me mixing it. Look at that. It's like ice cream. I love this. Okay guys, so it's ready. Here it is. This is what it looks like. It's so pretty. I love the color. And we're gonna try it. Moment of truth. Let's see. really good. Oh my god. It's really good. So, this is 100% approved by me. Yay! Also, I can drink coffee like that. Oh my god. Ah, delicious. Well, guys, that's it for today. I mean, so good. Let me know in those comments below if you would love to try this recipe. It's super easy. I mean, I just followed the recipe that I found online. Equal ratios of everything. But let me know if you like my reactions. Let me know what you thought about what I did. Put those comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like my video. And thank you for your support. Please be safe. Please take care of one another. Don't forget the journey is what brings us happiness, not the destination. See you all on the next one. Bye.